Hi, this is Paul. I'm here with Chocolate Myers for the Checkered Flag Crew. Chocolate, how did you get the nickname Chocolate?
I got the nickname Chocolate by playing Little League football when I was about 12 years old. I went out for a pass one day, and the coach said, because I've got this dark complexion, he said, catch the ball, chocolate drop. So all the other kids thought that was funny, and they started laughing, and they just started calling me Chocolate. So that's how I got that name.
Do you like that nickname?
I love it. Yeah, it's they've called me that all my life. I'll tell you a quick story. When I was in like the sixth grade, seventh grade, my mother went to a PTA meeting one time, and she walked in and she asked the teacher, she said, I think my son's in your class. And the teacher said, what's your son's name? And my mother said, my son is Danny Myers. And the teacher said, I'm sorry, the only Myers I have in my class is Chocolate Myers. So the name stuck.
That's very interesting. What is your favorite aspect of NASCAR?
Well, I love NASCAR. I've been involved in NASCAR all my life. My dad was one of the early pioneers of the sport. My dad actually lost his life driving a race car in 1957. So I grew up in this sport, going to Bowman Gray Stadium every Saturday night. I either went with my mom or dad, or later on I was fortunate enough to live close enough that I could walk or ride my bicycle. So I grew up at Bowman Gray Stadium. I became a friend of Richard Childress through Bowman Gray Stadium. And I've made my life out of NASCAR racing.
All right, what are you most excited for this year?
Well, I'm going to tell you something. I love this sport. I think that I've got my NASCAR back. And what I'm talking about, I think for a while, we lost a little bit of the drama. We had great competition, but we didn't have drama. And now we've got competition and drama. And I can't wait for next year. If it's anywhere near as close as 2014, it's going to be a great year.
All right, thank you.